Good day everyone, welcome to our TLE 8 class, Quarter 3, Week 2, Day 3. Today, we are going to identify tools, implements, materials, and equipment for nail care, skin care and hair care, its proper use and maintenance. But before we proceed with our lesson, let us identify the photos that are presented. 1. Very good, these are nail care tools. 2. Very good, these are facial care products. Number 3. Very good, these are hair care products. Now here are the tools, materials, implements and equipment for nail care. For nail care equipments. 1. Finger bowls. These are specifically designed for soaking the nails in warm water with liquid or moisturizing soak. These can be made from plastic, metal or glass and should be properly cleaned after each use. If you can't find a finger bowl, just a bowl deep enough to soak your nails. 2. Hand spa machine. It is filled with warm water and hand soap or liquid hand spa mixtures where hands are soaked before massage and actual nail cleaning services is done. 3. Manicurist table. It is a working table where all the nail care implements and supplies in nail care services are placed. 4. Nail implement sterilizer. It is where nail care implements are sanitized. 5. Nail enamel tray. It is where nail polishes and nail care supplies are placed in an organized manner. 6. The foot spa machine. It is filled with warm water and liquid soap or pedicure salts to soak your feet, the best thing after a long day. You can either purchase a foot spa which can come with different features that can massage your feet and keep the water warm, or for a cheaper idea, use a bucket that is large enough to completely cover your feet with water. 7. Low stool. It is used by manicurists when giving pedicure services. 8. Manicure and pedicure chair. It is where the client and the manicurist sit while doing the manicuring and pedicure services. 9. Nail dryer machine. It is where nails are dried after the application of nail polish. 10. Nail washing instrument. It is where the nail is pre-soaked to soften nails before the actual cleaning. For the nail implements. 1. Foot file. It is used to exfoliate dry skin or smooth calluses of the feet. 2. Nail brush. Can be used to clean fingernails with warm soapy water when preparing your hands for a manicure and remove dust when filing. 3. Nail cutter or nail clippers. These are used for shortening the length of your nails. 4. Nail pusher. It is the spoon end of a metal pusher is used to push back the cuticle of the nail, and the spade end is used to remove the dead tissue from the nail plate. Be careful when doing this, because you may damage the nail plate by scraping the surface of the nail too hard. 5. Nail scissors. These are used to trim nails or cuticle skin. 6. Orange wood stick. It is very useful when performing manicure or pedicure services. It is used for removing cuticle tissue from the nail plate, cleaning the excess polish under the free edge of the nail, applying nail art and cleaning any polishing mistakes by wrapping the tip in cotton wool and applying polish remover. These are disposable and should be thrown out after use. 7. Nail cleaner. It allows users to remove debris under the nails prior to scrubbing, thus significantly boosting overall hand cleanliness. 8. Nail buffer. This implement comes in varied types and grits ranging from less than 180 to over 240. A good rule to follow with this is the lower the grit, the more abrasive the file. 9. Nail file. It is a tool used to gently grind down and shape the edges of nails when giving manicures and pedicures after the nail has been trimmed using appropriate nail clippers. 10. Nippers. These are used to remove dead tags of skin and should not be used to cut, trip or tear living tissue. This could cause an infection. These can also be handy when using striping tape to trim it lengthwise. 11. Nail sprayer. It is used as a container either of cuticle remover or quick dry oil for easy spraying. 12. Toe separator. It is made of rubber foam, toe separators or cotton used to keep toes apart when polishing the nails. And for the nail care supplies. 1. Massage cream. It is used to moisturize and soften the skin when giving hand and foot massage. 2. Benzalkonium chloride. It is used to treat fungal infections of fingernails and toenails. 3. Cuticle oil. It is used to lubricate the skin around the nails. 4. Base coat. It comes in plain and ridge filler varieties. Ridge filling base coats are thicker than regular base coats. They fill in any lines, ridges, and grooves to give the nails a smoother looking appearance. Base coats are fortified with substances such as protein, vitamin E, and calcium. These ingredients help keep nails healthy and prevent the nails from breaking, splitting, and peeling. 5. Quick dry nail care oil. It is an oil that is sprayed or dropped over the top coat to make the drying process faster or quicker. 6. Cuticle remover. It is used to soften the dead cuticle. 7. Nail polish remover. It is used to remove old nail polish on the nails. 8. Top coat. It is applied after the color enamel or polish that prevents the polish from peeling or chipping. And for the other materials used in manicure and pedicure, 1. Adhesive tape. It is used to hold or compress injured nails and cover broken nails before repairing it. 2. Cottons. It is used to remove old nail polish from the nail plate and at the same time remove the nail cuticle that was pushed by the nail pusher. 3. Nail care spatula. It is used to get creams from the container and spread it over through hands, arms, feet and legs for massage. 4. Table mats. Used to cover the working table area while giving hand nail care. Services to prevent tabletop scratches and damage from supplies spills and leaks. 5. Antiseptic. It is applied on minor injuries or tissues surrounding the nails to prevent infection. 6. Hand towels. These are used to dry the hands, feet during nail care service. 7. Paper tissue. It is used to wipe, cover and repair broken, split, and torn nails. And for the skin and facial products. 1. Facial cleanser. It is used to remove dirt and makeup to keep the facial skin clean and smooth. 2. Facial moisturizer. It prevents the face from drying. It contains anti-aging ingredients that give a soothing effect to sensitive skin. It also improves the skin tone and texture which help the skin to become firmer and healthier. 3. Facial packs. It is a cream or thick paste mask applied to the face for cleansing that gives a smoothing effect to our skin. It contains vitamins and minerals from extracts of fruits and plants like cucumber and cactus. 4. Facial toner. It is used to remove bacteria, dirt, and dust that the cleanser was not able to remove. 5. Facial mask. It removes the dirt from the deep layers of your face. It maintains the smoothness and flexibility of our face and boosts our skin's inner glow. It is a self-adhering mask applied on one's face and it is sticky. An indication that the process is done once it is no longer sticky. 6. Hand and body lotion. It keeps our skin nourished, softened, and moisturized and somehow makes our body slightly scented. And for the facial care tools, 1. Blackheads remover. It is a small tool that is used to vacuum the blackheads on our face. It suctions the oil, dead skin and dirt in the open pores of our face. It is advised to remove one's blackheads only once or twice a week to prevent skin irritation that we might experience. 2. Jade roller massager. It is a tool used to manually roll and massage one's face to make the face muscles and skin feel a soothing and relaxing effect. And for the hair care tools and products, 1. Hair blower or dryer. It is an electromechanical device that blows ambient or hot air over damp hair to speed the evaporation of water to dry the hair. 2. Perm rods. It helps us create small, cute hair curls. 3. Hair steamer. It enhances the hair care treatment products to absorb or deeply penetrate the open hair cuticle, strengthen our hair strands and make it moisturized and manageable for a longer time. 4. Hair curler and straightener. It is a flat iron that is used in curling and straightening our hair. It has 2 plates that can be used for 2 hair service purposes. 5. Hair rollers. It helps us set our hair, creating small, medium and big curls to our hair. It is done during nighttime to make sure that your hair will be set to your desired curls. 6. Shampoo and conditioner. These are both hair care products that keep our hair healthy, shiny and smooth. 7. Shampoo. It is a liquid cleaning agent that we use to clean our scalp and hair. It helps remove the sebum or excess oil from our scalp and hair. It also cleans the dirty and dead skin cells. 8. Conditioner. It is applied after shampooing and rinsing the hair. It is used to finish our regular hair regimen process that makes our hair smooth, shiny, and manageable. And for the sanitation and maintenance of beauty care and wellness salon tools, implements and equipment. 1. Read carefully the instruction guide on how each tool, implements and equipment are properly used. 2. Sterilize the nail care tools and implements before and after use to make sure that they are safe to use. 3. Wipe and sanitize all the hair care and skincare salon tools and equipment before and after using it. 4. Check the electrical wiring, switch, and outlets of beauty care electric-operated tools to avoid electric shock among salon staff and customers. 5. Wash and dry thoroughly all the implements and tools used in giving salon services. 6. Put in proper and safe storage all the chemical products that are used in giving nail, ski and hair care services and treatments.